Travel to Vancouver with us.
Say bye-bye na to Daddy. Here we go. Okay, so nandito na kami sa airport and we are going to Vancouver. Are you excited?
Yes, I am.
Anyways, our flight is at 11:05 and it's 9:45. So
guys.
we are just on time. Nakapag-check-in na, na-drop na yung luggage and everything. So we're just going to our gate and wait. Sana may makainan. Sila nakapag-almusal, ako hindi. So yeah. We're here at the gate. And this was also the gate nung nag-US ako last time. Yan yung Starbucks noon. Okay. Let's find a seat.
9, 10.
We got our order. I have the dragon drink. Zach ordered the
Mango, strawberry, lemonade refresher.
but the strawberry, they ran out of the freeze-dried strawberry, so
In my
sad.
opinion, it's not that good anyways. But
Which one? The
drink
strawberry?
is good.
Okay.
So it just makes it better.
And Kuya, show your order. Show your order. You got the s'mores, and I also have the cinnamon pull apart because I haven't eaten.
So good, so tasty. What?
We're boarding. Ready, boarding. Dak. Okay guys, we made it to Vancouver, Zebi. That was medyo delayed yung flight dahil traffic nung pag-take off. But, oh, these donuts! We will have that in Granville Island. We're going to Granville Island. And yeah, baka mas mahal sa airport kasi. So, anyways, ayun yan. Medyo late kami na pag-take off, pero okay naman yung dating namin, mga 12 minutes behind lang. And now, we are looking for the baggage claim to get our 2 check-in baggages. Actually, kasama kasi sa ticket yung baggage. So, sabi ko, why not? I think this is where we're going. Okay, yeah. We're gonna take the train because yung hotel namin, wait lang. So we're taking the train kasi yung hotel namin may diretsong, as in talagang pagbaba mo ng train station, yun yung hotel namin. So parang nandoon sa hotel itself yung train station. So sabi ko, might as well. Isa din yung sa reason kung ba't yun ang pinili kong hotel. Kasi nga very accessible sa train station. So yeah, let's do this. Yan ang maganda. Lalaki mga anak mo. May taga-buhat na ako. Okay. Here's the SkyTrain. Going to the city. So, sobrang as in dali lang hanapin ng train. Nandiyan na pala siya mismo. Lapit Pwede wala pa kaming ticket. And sa research ko, si Zach is libre pa, walang bayad. So yeah, let's do this. We're excited. Maganda yung panahon, in fairness. And now, we're down, no. Nakalabas na kami ng train station, Bridgeport. 3 stops away from the airport. And ito yung hotel namin. Yay!
Going to BC Place Vancouver for the match. Connect with Waterfront Station for extra line trains to
Here we go.
It's a standard room with 2 queens.
Yeah.
Can I also have the credit card for deposit?
Sure.
Thank you so much.
Hey guys, we got an early check-in. Yay! It's only 1:20. Usually the check-in is 3 o'clock. And napagbigyan tayo sa request kasi available yung room. Kasi nag-email na ako beforehand kung pwedeng mag-early check-in. And yay! We're here. Welcome home. Okay, so this is our room. We have 2 queen size bed. The view outside. There we go. We have a couch or like sitting and working space, coffee. We have the safe. We have umbrella, perfect, because you know Vancouver can be rainy. And then we have the washroom or the bathroom. We got bathtub. And yeah. You don't have to hide. Sabi ko kasi sa kanila, kailangan ko ng matinong room tour na hindi pa magulo yung kama, hindi sila nakahilata dyan. Sabi ko, sunod lang kayo sa akin sa likod. Tapos nagtatago. Ay, nako. Ano na? 1:30 Vancouver time, but 2:30 Calgary time. That's why we are so hungry. So, we're gonna find a place.
Oh, guys. I'm in glasses, guys.
Pakit lang yan.
Chat,
Yun.
do me wearing glasses or no?
Harry Potter.
Okay, we're going for lunch. And pupunta tayo dito sa kabilang side. Andun sa kabilang side, yung, go ahead. Yung, kasi this is a resort, casino resort. So, nanditong side na to. We're going to number 4 and cross the bridge where we were earlier. And merong ano dito, Gordon Ramsay restaurant. Yeah, so nandito yung hotel, nasa kabilang side yung casino and mga kainan. So, we're gonna go there. Here's Gordon Ramsay's restaurant. Let's go and find the food court. Okay, so bad news. Yung food court is nasa loob ng casino and of course, yung dalawa hindi allowed pumasok. So we have to find a different place to eat. Natakam na ako dun sa menu ng Chinese food eh. So may nakita kami dito, the other side, Seafood Harbor Restaurant. So let's try and check it out. Okay, we're gonna cross the street. So dito yung casino and that is the hotel side. Go. Okay, so malas na naman po tayo din sa isang Chinese restaurant. Ano na kasi na, di ba, kung pumasok kami, mag-alas 2, sabi niya, magka-close kami ng alas 3, okay lang ba? Eh, ano siya eh, parang ano, nung pagpasok ko, parang, sabi ko, parang medyo mahal dito. Yung mga typical na Chinese restaurant. Marami kasi mga Chinese dahil sa casino, di ba? Yung typical na sit-down restaurant ng mga Chinese. Sabi ko, parang mahal dito. Tapos sabi niya nga, ayun niya, alas 3 sila magsasarado, parang 1 hour na lang. Siyempre, order ka, lulutuin pa yun. Tapos mamadaliin mong kainin. So sabi ko, wag na, hanap na kami ng iba. So, we are exploring the neighborhood with a map. And yeah, wish us luck. We're all hungry. Okay, so may nahanap kami sa Google. The Story Cafe. Mga 6-minute walk lang to, pero pagod na. And feeling ko naliligaw kami kasi industrial area to, mga kung ano-anong office, pero apparently it's here. So let's see. I hope they're open. Oh, look at the car.
The Story Cafe.
It is. May patio pa. May inuman. There we go. Okay, go. Pwede ba ang bata dito? I don't know. Okay, we finally found a spot. Makakain na kami. So hungry. And yeah, excited. The main dishes are here. I got the mushroom burger. Zach got the beef pappardelle. This is Zeb's, a great Canadian burger with pickles. Are you gonna eat the pickles? Ang cute ng kotse. Siyempre may picture. Okay, let's go! May tira kami. As usual. Carry. Pabalik na kami ng hotel. Tapos sabi ko, saan tayo lalakad? Hindi namin napansin. Ito lang pala yung hotel. Tapos ito yung kinainan namin. Ang layo na inikot pa namin kanina. Kainis. So yeah. Sinabi ko dun sa dalawa, hindi natin kasama si Daddy, walang taga-ubos ng mga pagkain nyo. Pero syempre, they want to order what they want to order. So may tira. Sabi ko, sakto, dinner na yan. Kasi nga, ang hirap ng maghanap pa ng kakainan. Kanina, hindi naman ako saan pupunta. Tapos parang common din dito yung yung nagsasara ng alas 3. Kasi sila din, nung nag-order na kami, kumakain na kami, tapos lumapit sila, sabi, magka-close na daw sila ng kitchen kung meron pa daw ba kaming order. Pero hindi sila magko-close ng restaurant kasi meron silang happy hour. So yun lang lunch food hanggang alas 3. Tapos 3 to 5 is cocktail happy hour, and then 5 onwards dinner. So yun, anyways, it's just me. Tinanong ko yun, ay tabi Zep, ay pantao lang pala to. I thought the car is coming here. Ha? So yun, mag-swimming na daw sila today. Dapat, nitatanong ko kasi magka-aquarium kami today or what. Alas 3 na, alas 5 na sasara yung aquarium. Parang gahol. Siyempre, magpa-maps pa kami, baka mawala kami. Wala. Okay, bukas na lang yan. Dito na tayo sa hotel today. So guys, nandito kami balik sa kwarto. Nagpe-prepare para nga pumunta na sa swimming pool. So, binuksan ko yung maleta ko para kunin yung aking mga gamit. Pagbukas ko, sabi ko, wait a second. Amoy na amoy ko yung pabango ko. Nasa kamay ko dun tuloy. One of my favorite perfumes, kung you follow me sa mga other social media ko, meron akong pinost na favorite perfumes. And isa siya dun. Dinala ko dito kasi sabi ko kung maulan, perfect yon. Kasi sinabi ko sa video na perfect siya sa mga cold weather, maulan, snowy. Ito na lang siya. Ito na lang siya today. Ayan. Basag na basag siya. Ang lungkot-lungkot ko. Ito na lang natira sa akin. This is my Giorgio Armani Stronger With You. Powerfully. Nagsisi akong dinala ko pa. Sana hindi ko na dinala. Siguro manipis masyado yung ano niya. manipis masyado yung, anong tawag dito? Glass. Kasi like, compared mo dito sa, ano, makapal to. Anong tawag dito? Valentino. Buti na lang yung iba ko, hindi. Kasi nga, puro travel sizes yung dinala ko. Buti yung iba hindi nabasag, isa lang. Meron din pala akong dinalang, yung bottle talaga. Tapos tignan yung nagmancha. Kasi dito sa pouch, kasama yung plastic ng bulak. So, ito, yung plastic ng bulak. Ayan, kumalat yung nag-stain. Kaya na, din tong takip ng Zara. Ang lungkot ko, pero sabi ng mga anak ko, hindi kinikwento ko nga sabi nila, don't worry, we got you. Aww. So sweet. Hati daw sila magkuya. Hati daw sila magkapatid. Bibilandan nila ako ng bagong kapalit. Saan ka? Anyways, mag-prepare na tayo. Heartbroken. Ito na kami sa pool. Nice. Mag-slide yung dalawa. Abangan natin. Nazaki kami. We're back in the room na. It's 6:40 na. And we're just isa-isa lang naliligo and we're gonna call it a day probably. Mag-i-edit na ako ng mga clips at naninibago pa ako dito sa camera. Hopefully okay lahat ng mga clips na kanalabasan. But anyway, share ko sa inyo. So, ang view, wait lang. Ang view outside is this. Hindi ko napansin na kanina nung pinakita ko. Ayun pala yung kita nyo ba? Ayun, yung train station. So, dyan kami mismo bumaba. So, 3 stops from the airport. Itong hotel. So, very, very, very convenient. Kasi connected siya. And itong, And itong area na to is Richmond pa to. Richmond, British Columbia. So, yung Vancouver is magte-train. So, bukas is gonna be, I think, a full day of gala, lakad. Kaya sabi ko dito sa dalawa, magpahinga, matulog ng maaga para tomorrow ay may energy sa lahat ng mga gagawin bukas. Hindi ko kasi sinasabi sa kanila kung ano yung binuko para bukas. Parang sorpresa. So, hindi ko din masasabi dito kasi maririnig itong isa eh. Bukas na lang din, makikita nyo. And yeah. Laters, babalikan ko kayo. Magmana nighttime skincare routine pa tayo. Okay guys, it's the end of the night or the day. It's already 10:07 Vancouver time, but Calgary time is 11:07. So we should be sleeping soon because we've been up early morning, like 7-ish, 7:30-ish. So we're tired. And yeah, din ako nakapag-video ng skincare. Sabi ko, I'll just create a different video for that. For reels. Pero na ako. Nag-toner, serum, and hindi pa ako nag-moisturize, but I'm just gonna put some eye patches on and then wait 10 minutes and probably call. I know, mag-i-edit pa pala ako ng videos, guys. I'm having a hard time transferring files sa cellphone because low data storage or something like that. Kailangan ko mag-delete. Wala na ako ma-delete. I'm so sad. So, bahala na. Okay. I'm gonna end the vlog. Come with us tomorrow for our first full day in Vancouver. We'll see how many tourist attractions we can squeeze in the day. So yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. Thanks for watching. Say good night, guys.
Nighty night night.
Night, night.
And you said we are tired. Who's we?
Bye!